Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a school bus. Normally we use a ruler to make sure our lines are straight, but today we're going to try freehand. It might not be perfect, but it's a great way to practice your eye-hand coordination. Ready? Let's get started! Did you know that buses were once used as classrooms? Kids could travel and learn at the same time. Imagine going on a field trip in a school bus. Let's add some realism to our bus by shading the window. It might seem difficult, but don't worry. The large bus window is just what we need for practice. Try different shading directions to create a sense of depth. Trust me, it's not as hard as it seems.
It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't.
And there we have it, our very own school bus. Look at how it turned out. Don't worry if your lines aren't perfectly straight. With practice, you'll get even better. Check out my other school drawing tutorials now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.